It was very important because we have a project that can benefit from a number of experiences in the Interreg cooperation program and from the FDR program. It's a complementarity. We have an idea, we can fund this idea with the governance model and the pilot actions in the new European Bauhaus with the Interreg program, with the cross-border cooperation, and we can scale up the investments that we want to make with the FDR program. So it's a complementarity that aligns to the same common objective. Oh, the essential complementarity, we can do so much more with other perspectives. You have different perspectives in each program, in each fund. So we have a broader idea that it's an integrated development. So we are tackling with the population, with the social innovation, with unemployment, with the natural cultural heritage. So many aspects, and we can benefit from each program in each way. So we can complement and make a real integrated development strategy. Don't hesitate, go for it. It's challenging, it's a very challenging matter because we all speak about that. Cooperation is not easy. It is really a challenge, but it can bring so much more for your work and for our regions and our territories that I think it's a step that everyone should take, because the added value of cooperation, it brings so much more. It's a challenge really, but don't hesitate. Reach out and talk to our colleagues, talk to the programs. We are always used to help, so reach out, and the colleagues from cooperation can help you.